Okay, here we are outside the house. That's just a regular shed. You can see all my dogs running and barking in the yard. There's Presley and Aries, Amy, Dexter. There's Vanna, that's Rochelle's mom. Say hi, Savannah. Hi, sweetie. How's that mama's girl? I know. You can see how the neighborhood is, so it's not like I have a kennel or anything around. Oops, move guys. This is my neighbor Tom's house. Going through the weeds. Okay, that's Tom and them's house, and this is my house. Part of it. And this is actually my bedroom in that window. Getting the utility shed. And that's my bedroom too. And I keep stepping on the dogs in case you're wondering what all the screaming is. There everybody is playing. There's my little Chinese crested Nikki. Say hi, Knickers. And my old girl Fluff, who will be 12 in February. Babies! Come on, Fluff! Come on, Fluff! Move a little quicker, honey. There she is. And that's my car, and that's my other neighbor's house. They have a cute little pool. There's Nikki being the boss of everybody. Hi, Aries. That's Presley eating grass like she shouldn't. And there's Savannah again.